No te esperaba tan joven.
Armando Rosales no es el asesino.
Creo que ese es el Super Sherlock.
No podés prender.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lessons.
Eso ya lo veremos.
Seeing the beauty.